All systems are go.
Check this out. Hey.
Okay. I'll call them by their name para hindi ako malito. Pinoy All-Stars. Okay. Bakit po tayo dito? Yeah, any representative from the Pinoy All-Stars. Pero mas maganda kung grupo na, no? Mas maganda, mas malinis, mas astig sa'yo nila sa Binsi. Congratulations! Si SK. Dito po tayo sa gitna. Sa gitna po tayo. Okay. Sino po okay, to be awarded by our SK Julie. Yuri, I'm sorry. Yuri po pala. Okay. Okay, next. So after the third runner-up, second runner-up to receive 1,000 pesos plus a trophy. Okay? Yeah, this is our second runner-up. Okay. Okay, our second runner-up goes to group number 10. Ang mga baliw, ang M3000. Congratulations M3000 New Forces. Ayun ang pro. Okay, thank you so much. Ingat kayo, taga-conception din ko. Okay, next. Okay, our first runner-up. Okay, our first runner-up to receive 2,000 pesos plus a trophy. Actually, wala akong nakikita sa kanila. Siguro hindi sila nag-expect, but these guys were good technically and energetic and charm. Okay. Let me call on Points and Flex. Any representative from Points and Flex? Points and Flex. And Flex. Okay, umuwi na yata sila. Okay, so anyway, we have their contact number, so we just... Meron, okay. Meron ba? Points and Flex? Points and Flex?
Sarap ng babae ako. Ay, wala ka rin. Yeah, happy rose.
Okay, congratulations to Points and Flex. I would like to acknowledge the presence of Pride of Claro and Recto, yung mga body shots babes nandito. Dapat sasayaw sila na kuya, no? Yes. Okay, so before we announce this year's Claro and Recto's Dance Competition champion, we would like to thank each and everyone. Maraming salamat po. Dahil pong salamat ka rin ng tao na mintakini ka rin ng sinap ka rin po yan po na bagamat kain gini yung bayanihan po wala yung po kayong balibago at yung po kayong Claro and Recto. Dahil pong salamat. Okay, so are we ready to announce? Ikaw na siguro, Sir Ron.
Actually, we have decided who will be the winner for tonight. So actually po, synonymous po ito lahat. Ito sila may pinakamataas na score sa aming tatlo. And we see that their effort and their uniqueness when it comes to their dance movements. Tapos, ano pa ba? Basta sila na talaga nung nakita natin, no? Although nung umulan, keso. Ito pa, I think ito yung representative ng mga Points and Flex. You have a representative na doon yata kanina. Ayun, dala-dala yung trophy. hindi namin kilala. Okay. Pero sa lahat po ng mga sumali dito sa Clara M. Recto Dance Contest, maraming salamat. Lalo na po yung mga dayo na talagang napakalayo pa lang. So, announce na natin, no? Kasi may pasok pa bukas ng umaga. And sasabihin ko yung mismong pangalan ng grupo nila. Baka magkamali ako ulit. Okay. And our champion for the Clara M. Recto Dance Contest goes to... Ayan, kahit gabi na. Siyempre, kahit gabi na, sabi nga nila, kailangan laging fresh ang image mo. So, congratulations to the fresh image. Ano ang cash prize?